Chandler with Classic Hair Services here, and I'm going to share with you the setup for a multi-service job. Now, I'm going to be doing hot water extraction for this rug. I'm going to be doing upholstery cleaning as well as absorbent compound cleaning, and that's for a sisal rug. I did bring these bar stools out that I'll be cleaning because I'll be cleaning and protecting those as well. And plastic sheeting is placed under the rug in the garage. And this is a cushion that I'm delivering to this client that I removed urine from the cushion as well as from the fabric. Now this is on the inside where I'm going to be cleaning this sectional. I've already got the cushions off of, got my table set up, and got my tarp down. I will be cleaning and protecting the sofa. That's my drying station there in the hallway, and my CRB and my dry compound agent as well as my vacuum cleaner. I'll be cleaning this sisal rug here. Always lay your dry compound cleaning agent on the side so that you can move the detergent from the bottom to the top so that it'll be ready for cleaning once you're prepared the rug for cleaning. As you can see, the sofa has heavy soil content from the dogs. Now that I'm set up and ready to start the truck, there's my faithful carpet cleaning bag that I love to pull out, and I'm always ready and prepared when I have that bag out. And so now it's time to start the cleaning process. And as you can see, I got my sealer door up. That way the pets won't run out, and also keep the bugs out of my working area as well. Now here I'm demonstrating how I am pre-treating the upholstery. And I'm going to use my multi-sprayer to do it. It's got a short tip on it that's made for upholstery. And the reason why I chose this sprayer is because it can cover a large area of fabric nice and even. Because I like to get it nice and even so it'll clean even. But I have so much fabric to clean on the sofa that I chose my larger sprayer and not my small hand sprayers. So I'm just going to demonstrate this for you guys. And this is my drying station. Some before and after pics. And in this segment, I've made it to the garage to finish up those stools as well as clean that rug. This demonstrates when it gets late in the evening and even after dark. As you can see, it's dark here. I'm not really concerned about running my machine, so it runs nice and quiet, so it's not a disturbing noise to the neighbors. And now I'm ready to do my shutdown. after I had shut everything down, I cleaned the sisal rug with the absorbent compound. Now everything is loaded up, and all I gotta do is just close up my doors, and I'm ready to head to the office. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. And if you have any questions, feel free to text me or call me 404-914-3103. Thank you.